Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Mom. Today we're going to do an episode where my mom is going to present to you one of her secret recipes for chili. Basically, this chili has a little bit of a Middle Eastern twist, or you can call it an Afghan twist. So we're going to have my mother actually go through the whole introduction of what ingredients she uses for this chili soup that keeps us warm in the winter.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I wanna cook chili beans without meat, and we use 2.5 cup of kidney beans, red kidney beans, and soak them in the water for 2 hours, or I do overnight because it's better to soak it in the water overnight and easy. And we go step by step, and after like 2 hours we go to the next step. Put the beans in pressure cooker and we keep it on medium heat and cover them, and the beans cook in 25 minutes. When they are done, now our beans is ready. And also we have 2 squash and 1 onion and clove of garlic, turmeric, and chili powder with tomatoes. We can use 4 tomatoes, or they are smaller, they are bigger, we can use 3. And we chop everything we chop. And the tomato I have, it's ready already. I blend them. It's almost 4 tomatoes. Chop the onion first. We are going to chop the squash. Going to do the garlic.
That's an interesting device you have.
Yeah, it's easy to use it for garlic, and I always use this. It's easy for me because I always use fresh garlic. That's why. And now we open the
Do
chili
you
powder.
recommend this product, the McCormick chili powder?
Yeah, this is a good, which I like it, but a lot of people, they can use different one, but I like to use this one. Now I put this in no salt, because this one has a salt. And I put the squash in. And now I put some onion and my tomatoes. And
turmeric in there too.
Yes. And we turn on the heat on medium. Just I cover them and leave them for 20 minutes
Okay.
until the squash and onion get the taste of everything. The taste of the chili powder, turmeric, and garlic. And then they're ready for
So once everything simmers.
yes.
And why is it that you do not recommend the pressure cooker to be cooked at high?
Because it's a little bit dangerous. Sometimes the pressure cookers blowing up and all the beans goes to the ceiling and to the cabinet. That's why I use the.
I see
I
some
suggest
marks
you use-
in the ceiling.
No, it's still that's
must
not
be the
happened.
beans.
Yeah, but maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, there you guys have it. We're gonna show you the final product right after this. After 20 minutes. So basically, the beans were soaked for 2 hours. After 2 hours, the soaked beans were put into the pressure cooker with about an inch of water above the beans. So the water level needs to be an inch over the beans, and pressure cooked at medium for 25 minutes. And then now we're pressure cooking all the ingredients with the beans, the tomato paste, and everything for another 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Correct?
If you want your food, you're in a hurry or you want your food in 20-25 minutes, you can use the canned beans. The canned beans is easy and faster because it takes 25 minutes for the canned beans. But this one is a little bit getting longer because of the beans.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. Well, we're also going to introduce Mom. I want you to show them your organized cabinet of all your ingredients and where you get your ingredients.
Oh yeah. I organize my cabinet. I have my Indian spice because I used a lot of Indian spice, and I have all my tools. I use them like blender, food processor, everything on the top. I have all my other spice. I use them like barley, beans, and those stuff over here. And I have my son stuff over there because he like more protein. Is going to the gym, and cans and everything.
All right. Well.
And I label them. I use them every day. It's here like turmeric, like curry powder, black pepper, cumin seeds, and most other stuff.
Okay, we'll be back in 20 minutes and see what the final dish looks like.
Our chili is ready now to serve. We try to test it, and you can make the same thing. Maybe the taste is good.
And maybe we can try it a little bit.
Okay, go ahead.
Not bad, not bad.
Okay, you can have some lemon with it. Maybe the taste is better.
Oh, the taste is good. I was just joking, Mom. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you for dinner, Mom.
You're welcome.